Gerardo, and today I'm going to be making slime. The things that I need are Elmer's glue, Elmer's magical liquid, food coloring, a bowl, and something to mix with. Let's get started. First, I'm going to put 6 ounces of Elmer's glue into the bowl. Now I'm going to put the food coloring in and mix. Now I'm going to put 1/4 cup of Elmer's magical liquid inside the bowl and mix. Wow, look how my slime turned out. Very stretchy. Thanks for watching. Bye.